So my cousin's birthday is coming up. I was thinking, what's something I could give him that just brings back good memories, like a nostalgia gift. Like if you hear a song and you're like, oh yes, I remember that, or you smell something. Anyways, that same concept. And then, looking through my notes, I found that I actually jotted this down because of him. We used to play Legos, and that was kind of our thing growing up. Every single time I think of that, it just really brings back good memories, and I love it. So, someone's calling me. This is my wife, so hold up. Where were we? Oh, Lego Man. There's a couple challenges that I'm facing, and I don't quite know where to start. I've been thinking about this project for about 2 weeks now. How to execute this, because I have some limitations. One, I don't have a lathe to make the head, and two, I don't have a bandsaw to really cut out. But that's not gonna stop me from making this Lego Man. I did some research and I found out Jackmanworks previously did this project for a past challenge. He's really awesome. I follow him for a while now, and so I thought it would be fun to try to follow along and recreate his Lego Man that he made.
Have to be your biggest fan, and when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that, because you don't know who you're gonna meet, who you're gonna meet, who you're
Do you know what's annoying? I went to the Dollar Tree and I bought myself a compass because I knew I'm gonna need it for this project. And guess what? I forgot it. And I don't want to waste time, so we're just gonna have to make it work. You don't need the right tools to get the job done, but it definitely makes your life so much easier. Kidding me? I drilled it on the wrong side. Oh, time to make a new one. This is actually hilarious. Screw you, David, because now I want one. Now all I have to do is the head without a lathe, so this should be fun. So this is what I did. I cut the bulk of the cylinder. I'm gonna use the angle grinder with a 36 grit. It works like a charm. It's a cylinder. We're making progress. David, I hope you have the same reaction as I did after finishing this. It was just hilarious. Totally blew my expectations out of the water. Didn't have the right tools, but that didn't stop me from making it. But Jackmanworks, thanks for your videos and putting out that video so I can follow along. David, happy birthday, man. I love you. To everyone else, until next time, BeeNeh. This is one of my favorite projects. I'm not gonna lie.